Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous three videos, I solved the first three questions related with exercise number 7.2 related with the formula L is equal to R theta that we already learned in the previous video related with the chapter number 7 trigonometry class 10th mathematics. In today's video, I am going to solve the next question, question number 4, which is the most important exercise of the most important question of this exercise number 7.2 according to the board point of view. This question at least 3 times must be came in the board of papers. So that's why I suggest you to this topic is very important. So let's move toward question number 4. Find the area of sector whose radius is 4 meter with the central angle of 12 radian. How can we find the area of a sector if the radius and their corresponding angle theta is given? Let's suppose this is a circle. Let's suppose the center of this circle. Let's suppose this is the radius of this circle, which is represented by a small arrow. Let's suppose this is the center O. Let's suppose this is point P, and let's suppose I draw another radius from this circumference to this center of the circle, and let's suppose this is represented by arrow, and let's suppose this is point Q. Now this is actually a triangle POQ, and that is that find this area of a sector of this circle. This is the area of sector. Let's suppose. So we will use the proportion formula by proportion formula. The area of this sector is, let's suppose, POQ. So the area of this sector, let's suppose we are going to find the area of POQ. Area of POQ. So according to the proportion area of POQ divided by the area of this circle. You know that one complete rotation of circle is actually equal to 2 pi or 360 degree or 2 pi radian. So let's suppose I take 2 pi, which is equal to the, over here we take the area of the POQ, this sector. So we will over here take the angle made by this area of this triangle. Let's suppose the angle subtended by this area of sector is, let's suppose, theta, and divided by the angle subtended by this circle. So you know that the angle subtended by this circle is actually 2 pi. Over here, this is not the area, this is actually the angle. The area of the circle, you know that it is equal to pi r square. Now after simplification, pi will cancel out with pi. This r square will move to the right hand side. So the area of the sector POQ will be, r square. Over here is a division. So by moving to the right hand side, it will multiply with theta. So it becomes theta r square and divided by 2. So this is the required formula. Now we will solve question number 4 using this formula. So area of sector is equal to theta r square divided by 2. Now putting values, so our required area will be theta is actually 12 radian multiply r square. R is 4, which is the radius of the circle. So 4 square divided by 2. Now by simplification, our required area will be 12 can be written as 2 multiply 6 and multiply 4 square is actually equal to 16 and divided by 2. This 2 is cancelled with this 2. So our required area of this sector, required area of this sector will be 6 multiplied 16 gives us 96. So now you know that the unit of area is either meter square or centimeter square. It depends on the unit given in the given question. Over here the radius is given in the meter, so the required area will be in the meter square. So the required area of the sector, this sector will be actually 96 meter square. This is actually the required and desired answer. So with this question, I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about class 10 or either FSC Part 2 Mathematics. Thank you.